Did you know that inflammation is associated with almost every health condition and disease, but incorporating just a few specific foods into your diet can significantly reduce inflammation and boost your overall health? When we say anti-inflammatories, we mean the ability of a substance or treatment to reduce inflammation or swelling. Inflammation in a healthy body is the body's normal and effective response and facilitates healing. Unfortunately, it does not always happen that way. When the immune system overdrives, it starts attacking healthy body tissues. That is when we encounter an autoimmune disorder, like bowel ruptures and inflammation in healthy body areas. But because modern medicine focuses on treating symptoms, it does not address the root cause of a health issue. However, this is the one we must treat first. Arthritis, for example, is joint inflammation, while heart disease is arteries inflammation. Instead of taking a drug to reduce joint pain or lower cholesterol and blood pressure, we are better off reducing inflammation in the body. So in today's video, you will discover the best 14 anti-inflammatory foods to reduce and fight any inflammation and be healthy again. Number 1. Blueberries. They are one of the best antioxidants and potent anti-inflammatory food. They contain quercetin, which we can also find in citrus fruits, olive oil, red wine, and blackberries. The substance quercetin is a flavonoid and a phytonutrient that is widespread in fresh foods. It fights inflammation and can play an important role, even in cancer. One study found that eating more blueberries slowed cognitive decline and improved memory and brain function. The scientists in this study attribute these effects to blueberries' antioxidant levels. These antioxidants protect the body from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Number 2. Leafy green vegetables. Our refrigerator drawer should be full of leafy green vegetables when you want to fight body inflammation and stay healthy. Vegetables and fruits are rich in antioxidants that restore cellular health. Try the delicious anti-inflammatory juice below if you want extra servings of green leafy vegetables. This juice incorporates vegetables and some of the most potent anti-inflammatory foods on the list. You need 4 celery stalks, half cucumber, 1 cup of pineapple, half green apple, 1 spoonful of spinach, juice of 1 lemon, and 1 piece of ginger. Add all the ingredients to the vegetable juicer, blend the juice and drink immediately. Number 3. Bok choy cabbage. We may know it as Chinese cabbage, but bok choy is an excellent source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Recent studies show they contain over 70 antioxidant phenolic substances. These substances are potent antioxidants that clean the body from free radicals. Bok choy is a versatile vegetable to add to many dishes and has become a crucial anti-inflammatory food. Number 4. Celery. In recent pharmacological studies, the benefits of celery include both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory abilities that help improve blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and prevent heart disease. Celery seeds have impressive health benefits, helping to reduce inflammation and fight bacterial infections. One of celery's fantastic benefits is its excellent source of potassium, antioxidants, and essential vitamins. Number 5. Beets. An indicator of an antioxidant-rich food is its deep color, and beets are a prime example. The antioxidants category to which beets belong includes many substances. In general, antioxidants fight to repair cell damage caused by inflammation. In the case of beets, the antioxidant component betalan gives them their striking red color, which is an excellent anti-inflammatory. In addition, beetroot benefits include cell repair and high inflammation-fighting potassium and magnesium levels when added to a diet. Beets contain significant magnesium, the deficiency of which is closely linked to inflammatory conditions. Calcium, while a vital nutrient, is well absorbed with magnesium. However, when calcium builds up in the body, it becomes unwanted. The body then tries to expel this nasty buildup, creating calcified kidney stones and causing inflammation. Before we further explore the following anti-inflammatory foods, remember to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to stay updated with my helpful videos to boost your well-being journey. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a necessary and valuable addition to any diet, and we find it in every health food advertisement. It is valuable for an anti-inflammatory diet because it is high in magnesium and potassium, and its antioxidants are potent anti-inflammatory substances. Broccoli is an antioxidant powerhouse with essential vitamins, flavonoids, and carotenoids. That is why it is a perfect anti-inflammatory food that helps reduce oxidative stress in the body. In addition, it helps fight chronic inflammation and the risk of developing cancer. Number 7. Pineapple. Quercetin is a digestive enzyme and one of the best pineapple benefits. Pineapple also contains bromelain, a part of an anti-inflammatory food protocol for years, and has immune-boosting abilities. It helps regulate the immune response that often creates unwanted and unnecessary inflammation. Pineapple also helps improve heart health due to the effects of the powerful bromelain. This way, it can fight blood clotting and is nature's answer to those taking aspirin to reduce the risk of a heart attack. Studies showed that bromelain could stop platelets from sticking or building up along blood vessel walls. These two actions can cause heart attacks or strokes. The pineapple benefits are also due to the high supply of vitamins B1 and C, potassium, manganese, and other unique antioxidants that help prevent diseases. Pineapple is rich in phytonutrients that work like many medicines to reduce the symptoms of some of the most common diseases we see our days. Number 8. Salmon. It is the ultimate oily fish when it is of good quality, one of the best omega-3 foods, and an excellent source of essential fatty acids. Omega-3s are some of the most potent and crucial anti-inflammatory substances. In addition, they show consistent relief from inflammation and reduce the need for anti-inflammatory medications. A study shows that omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Omega-3 fatty acids are also concentrated in the brain and appear important for cognitive behavior. Preferences for fish as an anti-inflammatory food are vital, but one danger of farmed fish is that they do not have the same nutrients as wild salmon. Number 9. Walnuts. Nuts and seeds can make a difference in protein and omega-3s, especially following a diet without much meat. Add the omega-3 rich walnuts to leafy green salads and olive oil for a satisfying anti-inflammatory meal. Or, you prefer a handful of walnuts for your day's quick and healthy snack. The phytonutrients found in walnuts can help protect against type 2 diabetes, metabolic syndrome, and many cardiovascular problems. In addition, some phytonutrients that walnuts contain are difficult to find in any other food. Number 10. Coconut oil. So much can be written about how herbs and healthy oils work together to form anti-inflammatory compounds. Lipids and spices create potent anti-inflammatory compounds, especially coconut oil and turmeric components. In a study in India, the high antioxidant levels found in virgin coconut oil reduced inflammation and treated arthritis more effectively than drugs. Also, the two biggest culprits of osteoporosis are free radicals and oxidative stress. Since the benefits of coconut oil include fighting free radicals and its high levels of antioxidants, it is a top natural treatment for osteoporosis. Number 11. Chia seeds. The fatty acids found in nature are more balanced than the fats we usually consume in our regular daily diet. The benefits of chia seeds, for example, offer omega-3 and omega-6 fats, which we should consume in balance. In addition, chia seeds are a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powerhouse. They contain the essential fatty acids alpha-linolenic and linoleic acid, vitamins A, B, E and D, and minerals such as sulfur, iron, iodine, thiamine, magnesium, and manganese. Chia seeds' ability to reverse inflammation, lower blood pressure, and regulate cholesterol makes their consumption highly beneficial to heart health. Also, regularly consuming chia seeds makes us less likely to develop atherosclerosis by reversing oxidative stress. Number 12, flaxseed. It is an excellent source of omega-3s, phytonutrients, and antioxidants. They also contain lignans, which are unique polyphenol related to fiber. Lignans provide antioxidant benefits for anti-aging, hormone balance, and cellular health. Polyphenols support the growth of gut probiotics and can help eliminate yeast and candida in the body. But before using the seeds alongside your other anti-inflammatory foods, grind them in a coffee grinder to ensure that your digestive tract has easy access to their multiple benefits. Number 13, turmeric. It is one of the most crucial anti-inflammatory foods and is highly effective in helping people with rheumatoid arthritis due to its high anti-inflammatory properties. There are well-documented studies of turmeric's anti-inflammatory effects in numerous circumstances, and its health benefits prove invaluable in anti-inflammatory diets. The Oncogene Journal published study results that evaluated several anti-inflammatory compounds. The study showed that aspirin and ibuprofen were less potent, while curcumin is among the most powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-proliferative agents worldwide. Number 14, ginger. Ginger is used in fresh, dried, or supplement forms and extracts. It is yet another immune modifier that helps to reduce inflammation caused by excessive immune responses. Ayurveda medicine praised ginger's ability to boost the immune system before newer health records significantly. The ancient belief is that because ginger is so effective at warming the body, it can help break down toxin buildup in the organs. It is also known to cleanse the lymphatic system, our body's drainage system. Ginger's health benefits may even include treating inflammation in allergic and asthmatic disorders. You can correct many health issues with anti-inflammatory foods in your daily diet. A prime suspect of inflammatory foods is the duo of saturated and trans fatty acids. These acids are found in processed foods and can cause inflammation while increasing obesity risks, belly fat, diabetes, and heart disease. Also, to move towards an anti-inflammatory diet and anti-inflammatory foods, we should mainly remove excessively processed foods and unbalanced eating and apply a Mediterranean diet. This diet includes plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables and little or no red meat. A diet that includes fresh and anti-inflammatory foods and limits eating processed foods can lead to complete inflammation removal. Also, establish a regular physical activity routine, potentially helping to prevent fat accumulation or systemic inflammation return. Small and incremental changes are usually more sustainable and manageable for the body to adapt. By continually adding anti-inflammatory foods that fight inflammation and restore health at the cellular level, you can repair your body without drastic and demanding changes. So, did you know how you can get rid of inflammation in your body simply by following a diet with the best 14 anti-inflammatory foods above? If you found this video informative and enjoyed exploring the world of herbs and foods, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness insights, tips, and delicious ideas to boost your well-being journey. Also, if you want to discover the powerful oregano benefits and the best tips on how to make oregano tea, in the best way to reap the full range of oregano's benefits, watch this video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I wish you to be always well and have a beautiful day and new week.